Dada!
It is 9:30 in the morning and we are here at the doctor's to take Oakley just to get him checked out. We gave him Tylenol last night before he went to bed and he actually slept, well, he woke up at like 10 something and then he slept all the way until 3 o'clock in the morning, which I cannot remember the last time that he has gone that long without waking up. And then he did wake up a couple times after that. So I'm thinking that whatever's going on is pain related because the Tylenol seemed to help him a lot. So we're here, we're gonna get him checked out and see what the doctor has to say.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer?
So I dropped Andrew and Oakley off at home and Oakley fell asleep in the car. So now he's taking a nap. Andrew is getting some work done and I am gonna get my nails filled. They need it really bad. This girl is doing my pedicure and she seemed a little like not sure what she was doing or just not very confident, and she got that, like, you know, that purple scrubber thing that I have, that like, what is it, Mr. Pumice? Not Mr. Pumice, something. Anyway, she's scrubbing my heel with it and it hurt, and I was like, well, I mean, that's one time, you know, I'll suck it up. So I didn't say anything, and then she did it again and it hurt even more, and I was like, well, she's got to be done by now, so I didn't say anything. Well, she went over it one more time and finally I was like, ow, and she's like, oh, I'm sorry. So she finished my foot and then I put my foot in the water and it hurt so bad. So I looked at it and there's like, it's gushing blood, and it was a circle, and so she's like, oh, you had a blister, you should have told me. And I was like, no, I don't have a blister. I have not worn shoes other than slip-on sandals all summer long. So she didn't say anything. She went and got a Band-Aid and she came back and she's like, I feel really bad. And I was like, yeah, it's okay. Well, not like it's okay, but whatever. Like, I didn't want her to not feel bad because she should have felt bad. So she's like, well, I'll just charge you for a regular pedicure, not a gel pedicure. And I was like, oh, gee, thanks. But I texted Andrew and I was like, this is disgusting. She used a scrubber that she uses on other people and it cut a hole in my foot. So now I'm freaking out that I'm gonna get an infection. So I am gonna clean it out and I'm gonna put some like lavender essential oil on it. But that's my story. Let's look at my foot.
Was it even like that? Ooh.
It's like a huge gash. And that's a really attractive shot. It's like besides the point though. It's the fact that like I have an open wound at a nail salon and they have just nasty stuff going on and they use the same scrubber that they use. So that was fun. I literally have the worst luck with getting my nails done, but I still do it. Huh? What'd you say?
No.
Tell me what you said.
No, ask Oakley.
What did he say? You're not gonna tell me? What did you say?
You think she'd learn her lesson by now?
Well, it's the only place in town that does nails. Like a good job at doing nails. And they don't even do a good job. I don't know what to do anymore. But there's my nails. My nails look decent. Not great, but decent. We got Emerson. Say hi, Emmy. Can you say hi? Hi. We are all hot and sweaty because we were at my parents' house and helped them just do a little bit of yard work to get their house ready for Emmy's birthday party, which is gonna be this Saturday. And I think we're gonna film her birthday party. So y'all will see that a little bit later. But that's what we did today. So yeah, we went over to Target, did a little shopping, got some water balloons for Emmy's birthday party because it's gonna be a pool party. And then we went over to my parents, did all that. And now we're gonna go home and put the kiddos to bed. I think everybody should have baths because we were outside. Well, obviously we're gonna have baths. I feel so gross right now. But, and then, well, we told ourselves we were gonna put the kids to bed early tonight. You wanna take a bath with Bro? Yeah. Okay. They've been taking baths together, which is so helpful because you can get it done twice as fast. There he goes. Whoa, what a big guy.
Oh, she's right out.
Oh, Whammy. Not his face, baby. Oh.
Good night, Oakley. High five. High five.
Hey,
High
Oakley.
five.
Do you like Dada?
You said Dada. And I got it on camera. You said Dada. Yeah.
When we went to Target today, I found some jammies for Oakley. He was in 12-month jams, and they're definitely too small for him now. So he's actually technically in 18 months, but I got him 2 tees, which are gonna be a little bit big, but they'll still fit him. But he grows so fast that I want him to get lots of use out of these jammies. So I picked him up some 2 tees, but I wanted to show you guys because I think they're so cute. They're from Target. It says, bedtime is a moosing berry. And I just think they're really cute. I like the colors on them. And then these are there's 2 in a pack. And this was the other set, which I thought was really cute. I like the woodland creatures, and the colors I think are really cute. So I just wanted to share that with you. Got them today. I'm slowly restocking Oakley on some jammies that fit him. And then I forgot to update you guys. I don't know how I forgot to do this, but I forgot to update you guys on how Oakley's doctor visit went. So it turns out his ears looked good, his throat looked good. She said it was probably a virus that he got that affected his throat and gave him like laryngitis. She said that viruses can affect, you know, any part of the body. Sometimes it's a head cold, sometimes it's a tummy issue. And she thinks that this one just was laryngitis. But she said that sometimes when there's some kind of something going on, it can like cause the ears to be uncomfortable, even though he doesn't have an ear infection. She said there could be pressure in his ears, which is why he was tugging on them. Or there could, oh, she said if he's teething, which he is, that sometimes it causes like a popping in their ear, which could just be another like annoying thing, or another reason why he's pulling on his ears, because it's just kind of annoying. So that was good. And she said we did the right thing by bringing him in just to make sure that he was all right. And I definitely feel much better knowing that he's good, and it's probably just a combination of everything going on. And that right now he's probably the most uncomfortable just because of the fact that he's teething, and that is probably why he's not sleeping really well at night. So like I said, last night we gave him Tylenol and he slept a good stretch. So I'm trying it again tonight, and I gave him another dose of Tylenol, and we'll see if he has another long stretch. Crossing my fingers, because that was so nice. Even though he woke up a bunch after that, like just to get a nice stretch of sleep felt so good, and I'm sure it felt good to him too. So that's the update. He's fine. He probably did get sick earlier in the week, but Whew, good to know he's okay. Both the kids are asleep, so Andrew ran out to get us some dinner. We're gonna have Japanese for dinner. I've been itching to just make us dinners, like meal plan, make us dinners. I've just kind of gotten out of the habit this week, so that's something that I want to do better next week. And I don't know, I just really want to start making some homemade meals again for dinner. But next week's a new week and we'll do better next week. So I am gonna go hop in the shower, get myself ready for bed. Andrew and I are gonna, we have a little bit of work we have to do tonight, but we're just gonna like chill, relax on the couch, watch a little bit of TV. I'm probably gonna have some ice cream. Let me show you guys what my favorite ice cream is right now. You guys should let me know, is there something that you have to have every night before you go to bed, like dessert wise or snack wise? Let me know, because I am pretty stuck in a routine where I have ice cream every night before I go to bed. There's two different kinds that I have. One I will show you, it's called Jenny's, and then the other one are the So Delicious cashew milk. I think it might be cashew milk, but the chocolate ones with the chocolate on the outside. Oh my gosh, so good. But let me show you what I'm gonna have tonight. So this is the brand, it's called Jenny's, and I first discovered this in Charleston. Andrew took me to the little ice cream shop that they have there. It is so good. They have all kinds of really unique flavors, but you can also get it in some of your stores. So it's kind of pricey, but if you pace yourself, it's worth it and it's really good. This one is my current favorite, the gooey butter cake. And then this one is a runner-up, a close runner-up. It's Brambleberry Crisp. It's really good ice cream. So I'm gonna have some of this for dessert tonight. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel with your notifications turned on, and follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.